Hello, everybody, and welcome to German class. And in this lecture, in today's lecture, we are going to talk about our new topic, and the name of the topic is imperative. In German, we say der Imperativ, right? So we are going to talk about imperative, and I'm sure you must have heard about this topic in English also. So, what do you understand when I say imperative? So, imperative means any sentence or any statement which has the feature of command, order, or request, right? So, if any sentence or any statement has any of these feature, you can call that sentence as imperative, right? So, here are a few examples for you. For example, please go to your room. So here I am making a request. Please go to your room. Eat your food, please. So again, it is a request or sort of order. Close the door can be a command, order. Can you please give me your pen? Request. Get out of here. So anyway, it is a command or an order, right? So all these type of sentences are the examples of imperative in English, right? So before talking about this topic in German, you should know what is imperative, right? So here are a few examples for you in English, and uh, let's talk about more on this topic. Like here are one more example for you. Go there and do the homework. So these are two examples for you of imperative. Now I would like to ask you, if I say go there or do the homework, whom am I talking to? Right? Whom are we talking to? Am I talking to first person? That means, am I talking to myself, I, or we? Second person, am I talking to you or you all? Or am I talking to third person, which means he, she, it, or they? Right? I is singular, we is plural, you is singular, you all is plural, he, she, and it is singular, and they is plural, right? So my question is, when I say go there, do the homework, or these examples, please go to your room, eat your food, please, close the door, can you give me your pen, please, get out of here. So all these sentences, whom I'm talking to, like you need to choose first person, second person, or third person. So obviously, I cannot say to myself that go there or do the homework. So first person is not appropriate. Third, let's talk about third person, the person who is not available here. So I cannot talk to them. So imperative can be formed only in second person. That means the order, the command, the all the features, like the features we have talked about, command, order, request, all these things can I use only in second person form, right? You or you all. So imperative can be formed only, imperative can be made only in second person, although you is silent here. So this is most important feature. Like read all the sentences again. Please go to your room, eat your food, please, close the door, can you please give me your pen, get out of here, or do your homework, go there. All these sentences come here, right? So all the sentences, it does not have you is silent, you is omitted in all the sentences. This is another feature, right? Now let's talk about German. So if I say you in German, I have three words. One is du, second is ear, and third is z, right? All the words do, ear, and z, do, ear, and z, all these words, uh, are same in meaning. The meaning is you, right? The meaning is you. But as you already know, if I say ish, do, air, z, s, if I say wear, ear, or zz, right? So here is do is here, here is ear, and here is z, here is z, this z, right? All the words are same in meaning, but what is the difference? This do is informal you, informal singular you. This ear is informal but plural you all. This is singular, this is plural. And this z is formal. These two were informal. These two were informal. This was singular, this was plural. But this z is formal, singular and as well as plural, right? So we can make imperative in these three forms, right? In German, one is do, second is ear, and third is z. Imperative can be made in these three forms. Now if I say do the homework, so this I can make in do form, this I can make in ear form, this I can make in z form as well. Because in German, this also you, this also means you, and this also means you. So imperative can be made in all the three forms. So but there is a different rule in German for each you. If I make with do, right? So let's translate it first word to word. It says do the homework. Do is machen, right? Machen is the verb. So if I need to frame a sentence of this, I'll say I should say machen, or with do it should be marxed. I need to conjugate it, right? Marxed do die Hausaufgabe, right? This was the beginning, right? This is the initial stage which we have learned so far, that I need to conjugate the verb, I need to write do. So if I need to write with ear, I should write m marked, because with ear the ending is t, marked ear, the house of Gave. This is what we have learned so far. I did not tell the rule so far. And in z it should be Makhan, z, d, house of Gave. And all the words, all these sentences give you the same meaning. Marked do the house of Gabe, marked ear the house of Gabe, or Makhanji the house of Gabe. All the three sentences give you the same meaning. The meaning is do the homework, do the homework, because you is silent here. So here do is also you, ear is also you, z is also you. Marks do the house of Gabe, you. Marked ear the house of Gabe, and Makhan Z the house of Gabe. Now, if you remember that with ish the ending was e, with do the ending was st, with ear the ending was t, with z the ending was en. So similarly, this is the same thing which I have done here. St marks do the house of Gabe. So this was the normal form. This was not the imperative form. Now the rule for imperative form is, if I need to if I need to write in do, I need to delete st, and I also need to delete do. This is rule for imperative. So the final answer would be, I need to remove this st from here and do from here. So whatever remains is my answer, right? Mark the house of Gabe. I have removed st and I have removed do also. Similarly here, marked ear the house of Gabe. So rule for year is t ending will come, but we will remove year. So this t shall be here, but I will remove this, right? So this will be my final answer. Marked the house of Gabe. And the rule for z is z, en ending will come and z will also come, right? So this would be the final answer. There will not I will not delete anything from this sentence. So with do, st will not come, neither st will come nor do will come. In ear only the ending will come and ear will not come, and in z both will come, right? Let's talk with more examples, and let me give you some more thorough. Let's discuss thoroughly. Like rule for do, what was the rule? St will not come, ending will not come, ending st will not come, and do will also not come. In ear will not come, but t ending will be there. Here z will come and en ending will also come. So this was the rule which we have learned so far. We will do more practice on it, don't worry. Like here imperative can be made in second form, this we have done, and although u is silent, u is omitted. And rule for you, if I'm making in do, neither st will come nor do will come. If you I'm using this ear will not come, but t will come, the ending t will come. And if I'm making with z, z will come and en will also come. Now this type of question will come in your exam, right? This type of question will come. What does the question say? The question says, convert the sentences, convert convert the sentence in which form? Do and ear form. That means z form is given. That means z form is given in question. Like here, spielen Sie Fußball, play football, play football. Now which type of sentence is this? This is an imperative because you is missing. I'm talking to you, play football, spielen Sie Fußball. So which form is given? Which form of you is given? Z form is already given. See here, Z form is already given, right? And ending is also given, en. So this question will be given to you. Z form will be given to you. Spielen Sie Fußball. Now I need to change in do. So if I need to change in do, this en, right? This Z will become do. This en shall become st. So spielst. This was the basic rule which we have done, which we have been doing from level 1. Spielst do Fußball. But since I need to since I need to convert into imperative form, and rule for do was neither do will come nor the ending will come. So final answer would be Spiel Fußball, right? And with ear the ending should come, but ear shall not come. So spielt, the ending will be the ending shall come, but this z will convert into ear and that will not come, right? Spielt Fußball. So in other words, if I need to put the same rules in simpler words, I would say, like here it says kaufen Sie das Buch nicht, don't buy this book. Nicht is not, kaufen is buy, das book is the book, and I'm talking to you, right? So don't buy the book. Which form is given? Z form is given, and I need to convert into do and ear. And if I need to put in other words what rule I have explained to you, so if I need to write in do, right, this z will not come because I'm going to change into do form. And this ending I should change. So ending should be st, and ending will also need ending will also not come, right? Hence it should be kauf and no ending, and then das Buch nicht, right? And here kauft ending will come, t ending will come, but ear will not come, hence das Buch nicht, right? Let me conjugate the verb kaufen. So ich kaufe, du kaufst, er, sie or es kauft, wir kaufen, ihr kauft, and sie kaufen, right? So here in do neither do will come nor the ending will come, nor the ending will come, only cow. When with ear will not come, but ending will come. T shall be there. And in Z will also come and En will also come. So if I look at the question, En is there, Z is also here. So that is why here. And if I need to do, so ending is not there. Do is also not there. And in ear, only ending is there. Ear is not there. Here it says bitte gehen Sie in Kino nicht. Please don't go in cinema. So if I need to change in do, right, ending will not come. So gehen is the verb, right? This ending will not come, and do will also not come. So this Z shall change into do. So this will also not come. So what shall be the answer? The final answer would be bitte geh ins Kino nicht, and then exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is very very important. And if I need to change into year, it should be bitter, and then ending will come bitter gate, and then year will not come in skino nicht. So all these three sentences, first, second, and third, gives you the same meaning. The meaning is please don't go in cinema. The only difference is here I'm talking to in a formal way with Z, formal way, like आप सिनेमा में मत जाओ, and this is in do form. Bitte geh ins Kino nicht, like तुम सिनेमा में मत जाओ, and then bitte geht ins Kino nicht, तुम सब सिनेमा में मत जाओ, right? So the only difference is whom I'm talking to. Like here, bitte bringen Sie mir ein Glas Wasser. Please bring me a glass of water. Now Z form is given to you. Z form is given to you. Bringen ending is also there, because whenever I am making a sentence in Z form, ending will also come and Z will also come. Now if I need to change into do, it should be bitte bring, because ending will not come and do will also not come. So bring mir ein Glas Wasser, and then exclamation mark. And if I need to change into ear, it should be bitter bring with T ending. Mir ein Glas Wasser. Right? So this was about imperative. Now there are few exceptions in this, like if few exceptions are in verb, like if the verb is given in Z form, like always Z form is given. So if the verb is helfen, treffen, werfen, essen, sprechen, geben, vergessen, lesen, sehen, sein, or nehmen, if this out of these verbs, any verb is given to you in the question, or you are using these verbs in imperative, so when you are converting into do, please ending will not come. Okay, this helfen ending will not come, and in help I have changed the verb root. I have written hilf and I have not written help. So this e has converted into I, right? For example, here ending is not there. Okay, like the verb was treffen, the verb was treffen, right? Ending is not there, en is not there. Okay, but I have changed this e into I, right? See, thrift shall be in do form. So this is exception. Like werfen, in do it is wirf and not werf, right? Like here lesen, in do form it is lease and not lace, right? So you need to keep in mind why. See, if you remember irregular verbs, in our previous classes we have done irregular verbs. If I talk about verb, there are two types of verbs. One is regular verb, another is irregular verbs. Although some verbs are known as modal verbs, some verbs are known as separable verbs. but I'm talking about irregular verbs. So all the irregular verbs are here. So either you revise the notes of irregular verbs, or you can learn these verbs as it is, right? Because all these verbs belongs to irregular verb category. So if you remember about irregular verbs, then follow that rule. And if you do not remember that, if you do not remember irregular verbs, I would suggest you to learn this table as it is, as it is, right? Because then you name this table as few exceptions in imperative. That is it. Okay, now let's do some examples with exceptions. It says helfen Sie mir. Helfen Sie mir is help me, help me. Now here I'm talking to Z, like आप मेरी help करो, आप formal with en ending. Now I need to convert into do, right? So Z will not come, but en ending will also not come because I'm making in do, since helfen belongs to irregular verb, or it belongs to exceptional uh, verb helfen. So in do it should be hilf, right? And in ear it should be helped. Please take care of the spelling, right? uh, Here it is he and hi. So if I need to write in do, it should be hilf, hilf mir. And in ear it should be helped mir. So you can always refer that table, right? And don't forget to put the exclamation mark. Right here it says geben Sie mir ein Glas Wasser, give me a glass of water, right? So since given belongs to irregular verb category, or you can also say that this belongs to the list of exception verbs. So in do it should be gib and not geb, right? See here, given. Here it is given, which means to give. In do it is give, right? And in here it is again gebt, gift. So here it is give, and then z will not come, ending e will not come. Here e has converted into I. So give mir ein Glas Wasser, right? And if I need to make into ear, it should be gebt with ending. Gebt mir ein Glas Wasser, right? I would again suggest you to note down this table, because this table is very very important, right? Or if you remember the notes of irregular verbs, it will be easier for you, right? So note down all the verbs so that you should not forget about the exceptions. Right here it says neman Sie das taxi, take the taxi. आप प्लीज टैक्सी लीजिए, z form, right? So I need to convert into do form. And since neman belongs to irregular verb, so I have a separate answer for it. Neman, the last verb is neman. It says nim, and in here it says named, right? So answer would be, if I'm making in do form, I should write nim, and then z will not come, this ending will also not come, and name I have changed because it belongs to irregular category. Nim das taxi. And then if I'm making into ear form, I should write named das taxi. So this would be your answer. Here it says lesen Sie das book, read this book, read the book. If I need to change into do, since again lesen belongs to irregular verb, see here, lesen is here, right? Lesen is here. In do it is lease and not lace, and in ear it's laced. So here uh, in do I should write lease, and this z will not come, ending will not come, this I have converted already. And then das book, and then in ear form I should write laced das book. So in English all the three statement gives you the same meaning, read the book. But in Hindi it gives you a different meaning. It is like aap book padho, it is tum book padho, and it is tum sab book padho, right? So you formal singular and plural, you informal singular, and you informal plural, right? Okay, now here you have six statements, one, two, three, four, five, six, and you need to choose the correct statement, correct statements, right? Multiple answers are possible. Multiple answers are possible. You need to choose all the correct statement. So first statement it says ist du die Pizza nicht, and we need to change. We need to choose of imperative, right? So in imperative, we already know if I can make imperative only in three forms. One is do, second is ear, and third is z. So in do will not come. Only st. Uh, st will also not come. So if any of the sentences you find do, so that statement will be wrong. Like first statement, you will find do. So this statement is not possible. Wrong statement. So in ear, it says ear will not come, but ending will come. So if you find any ear here, any ear, no ear, no ear. So but T will come. So here, I can see T here ending. One T is here. Second T is here. Oh, I have written. I'm sorry. I wrote it wrong. Both the statements are similar. So just let's remove one statement here, right? So four statement with T ending, it's correct, and with Z here, so with Z will also come, En will also come, right? So Z is there and En is also there, ending is there. So this statement is also correct. So sixth statement is correct, fourth statement is correct, and third statement is not correct because en ending is there but z is not there, z is missing, hence third statement is incorrect. Let's remove it. And second statement is depisanist. Now here do is not there, okay, and st is also not there. So is depisanist, second statement is also correct. Now here please note that son and is, uh, this is changing, like verb is changing because this son also belongs to irregular verb. Let's see here. Son is here, right, and here in do it is, and in ear it is est, right? So here three answers are possible. One is second statement, second is fourth statement, and third is sixth statement. All the three statements are correct. All right, so that was all about imperative. Just a quick recap that we can make imperative in three forms: do, ear, and z. In do, do will not come, st will also not come. In ear will not come, but the ending will come. In z will not come. I'm sorry, z will come and en will also come. And there are some exceptions, and that we need to learn because that belongs to irregular verb. Okay, that is all for now. Viel Spaß, have fun, danke, thank you. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask.